My name is Fausto Zapata. I'm the owner of the store Dr. Phone Fix, which provide repair services for mobile devices. The good thing of our company is that we provide services with trained people, with people that are specialized in this kind of services.
As a person of my age, in the 20s, we know that phones are very important to us. Now, leaving it to get it repaired for over a few hours, it's not very convenient for us. I know you get to look into Instagram, Facebook, whatever the case may be, text your boyfriend, girlfriend. You come to Dr. Phone Fix, you can get it repaired the same day. It takes about 45 minutes. We also have the express service, which you can get to in about 10 minutes to your repair.
And also we provide warranty with all the services we provide to our customers. And we are located in Boca Raton. We are the only stores with this brand in West Palm Beach. And we are planning to expand in the county in the future.